Hello everyone, today we are making this Magnolia Use birthday card for Dress My Craft Crown Season 2. So let's have a look at the material needed. I'll be sharing with you the basic tools that are required. First is this 6 by 12 inches paper trimmer by Dress My Craft, which can extend up to 17 inches by 12 inches. It has both cutting and scoring blades, which are very useful while making cards. Next is this Easy Cuts machine by Dress My Craft. Here are the two acrylic plates. This is a foldable machine that saves space. Next we'll be needing this large funnel tray by Dress My Craft. Next we'll be needing this mini groove gold flute, which is used for shaping flowers and other purposes. We'll be also needing this fine tip tweezers. Next we'll be needing this mini corner punch by Dress My Craft. So these are some basic and amazing tools by Dress My Craft that we'll be needing to create this card. Now let's have a look at the products we'll be requiring to make this card. First is this Magnolia Use collection kit, which contains this 6x6 paper pack, set of 2 motif sheets and a 12 by 12 inch paper pack. Next is this concrete tray cardstock by Dress My Craft. It's a pack of 10 sheets of 250 GSM. Next is this rainbow glitter in mini pack by Dress My Craft. And a mini spray bottle by Dress My Craft. Next is this cutting dies. Here I am using foliage and leaves, mini doily set, vintage clock die and happy birthday sentiment die. Now let's start with the procedure. First I am taking this paper trimmer and A4 size white color cardstock, cutting this at the given measurements, scoring this from the shorter side at 3/7/8 inches. So the base of the card is ready. Now we'll be needing some other panels of white and grey color cardstock of given measurements. And this is how we have to arrange all the panels. Glue all the panels together and the base is ready. Now I am taking this beautiful Magnolia Used cardstock and this is the sheet we'll be using in the given size, that is 3/1/4 into 8/1/4 inches. I am also using white vellum cardstock of 8.5 into 3.5 inches. I'm tearing the edges with hands to give it a more beautiful look. Now I'm using mini groove gold tool and 4 brad pins to attach white vellum to the printed cardstock. Simply make a hole using groove gold tool and insert all the brad pins. And this is done. Now I'm using this beautiful Magnolia Use motif sheet by Dress My Craft. These are 2 sheets of 240 GSM each. And here are the elements I've already fuzzy cutted from the sheet. Now I'm adding this rainbow glitter on the elements. For this I'm simply adding some glue on these elements. For this we'll also be needing this fine tip tweezers by Dress My Craft. Now just pour the glitter, let it dry and remove the excess glitter. Do this with all the other elements. After adding rainbow glitter by Dress My Craft, we can clearly see the difference that how beautiful our elements are looking after adding this glitter. Another use of this large funnel tray is that we can pour back our glitters in the jar, saving a lot of our product. Next, I'm using this mini die cutting and embossing machine by Dress My Craft. It's lightweight and portable. These are the 2 acrylic plates that come along. First, I'm using this vintage clock die and concrete grey cardstock. And let's quickly cut this die. First, we'll place acrylic plate, then our paper, then our die, and then second acrylic plate. And let's roll it through our die cutting machine. I'm rolling this to and fro just to ensure that the paper has cut properly. Now I'm again using fine tip tweezers by Dress My Craft to remove the die. And you can see how beautiful design we have got. Similarly, we'll be needing one more in the shade of white. Next, I'm using this Happy Birthday Sentiment die by Dress My Craft with concrete grey cardstock. And within seconds, our Happy Birthday Sentiment is ready. Similarly, we'll be needing them in white color also. Now I'm using foliage and leaf die and we'll be taking this leaf. Now I'm putting all the elements in this funnel tray. Funnel tray are best to keep all your elements. Now I'm taking 6x6 inch paper pack of Magnolia Use and using these 2 papers to create these elements. Now I'm starting with adding all the elements. First adding this green cardstock, then the vintage clock die, overlapping grey on white to create a dual tone effect. Now adding fussy cutted elements and this foliage die. First I'm cutting this into small pieces and then we'll add this to the base. I'm adjusting these foliage according to what I want and using fine tip tweezers for the help. And this is done. Now I'm adding this flower on top of an element that I forgot to add earlier. Now I'm using this die from Mini Doily die set. I'm using this in the shade of white. And now adding other elements on the left side also. This is how I'm placing all the elements. Now adding the happy birthday sentiment also. 1, 2, 3 and it's ready. And for the panel I'm using this cardstock using Trismicraft's mini corner punch. I'm curving all the corners. Add this panel inside your card and the beautiful Magnolia Use Happy Birthday card is ready. Hope you all like this. Thank you.